marshals, please pay attention. Good luck to these drivers. It's A3 for 13.5 at the sound of the start tone. All right, nice and smooth off and running, guys. Great start. Bodine, Evans, Mason. All by Cop and Barnes. Race number 41, 25.5, 83. Race number 41. Get ready to go. DJ out in front. Tom Mason up in the 2-spot, Tim Cobb up in the third. Woo! Woo! 115 down, 6:45 left to go. 115 down, 6:45 left to go. Evans, Mason, and Cobb both by Bodine and Dula. That's going to be Jared rounding out the top five. Got a good battle here between Todd Mason and Tim Cobb. Man, oh man, they've had EJ Evans losing the spot there. Todd Mason in the top spot. Down the backstretch, somebody lost it in the corner, and that was EJ. Well, it looks like Cobb out in front, Mason in second. Here they are across the start finish line. Yes, that is correct. And then our third place driver will be EJ still. Watch the start finish line, and we're clear. 2 minutes in, along 6 minutes left to go. Race number 41 is headed to tech. Tim Cobb out in front by a half a second over Todd Mason. With EJ Evans in the third spot. Brian Maloney in fourth. Jared round out the top five. Scott Barnes now in fifth. Jared in sixth, followed by Al Lunchy. Rob Doolan. Steve is our champion for this one, with a win in an A1 and A2. These guys are trying to figure it out for the rest of the points. And as I've mentioned, guys, we got plaques all the way through 10th, so stick around for our trophy presentation. Looks like we're going to be done at a decent time today, so stick around, get your award, celebrate with us at the end of this very successful weekend out here. First ever big race out here, and already hitting 150 entries for the first one. Good job, guys, and thank you very much to all of our participants for making this a big success. 3:15 down and 4:45 left to go. 3:15 down, 4:45 left. Cobb, Mason, and Evans, our race leader in the white car. Going to be coming up on some traffic. Trouble for the orange of Bullet Time. Cobb, Mason, and Evans are top three here. Followed by, looks like Bodine off the course right now. And back on down the straightaway. The damage is done for Brian there. Jared can pick up the 5 spot again. Left to go, guys. 4 minutes down and 4 minutes left to go. Tim Cobb, Todd Mason, and EJ Evans are top three. Scott Barnes, Jared round out the top five. Alan, Rob, Brian, Steve. Race leader's going to be that white car. That's the start finish line. Got Todd right behind him. Lead battle. This is a nice one. Off the end of the straightaway over on the coat hangers. And back in through the middle to the dog leg. Center of the course. Chicane and across the start finish line. The white car top 12.6 beats it in the pink blue 12.8. 25.5, 83. You guys are coming up that TC 25.5. Pull it on the straight, go high on the straight, high on the straight, and we're clear. Race leaders coming through, and we're clear. Looks like he might have a miss lap here the next time by. We'll fix that for him. Miss lap for EJ. We'll put it in mid. All right, so we got Tim Cobb, EJ Evans, and Todd Mason. Tight battle. Look at this action. 1, 2, 3 across the start-finish line. Down the backstretch. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left to go. White car out in front. Blue and gray. Oh, EJ picking up a spot. The white car goes Coney Island. The bumper cars. Tim Cobb down to third. It's going to be Todd Mason up into the 2 spot now. EJ out in front. Quite a recovery for EJ here. And Cobb off the course now. So Scott Barnes going to upgrade into the 3 spot here. And it's going to be a 2-car battle now. Our race leaders coming up through traffic here in the blue and gray. And the pink and blue guys, you know the guys. Let them through here as we come up on the pink car. Next, one more. When he gets there. 1 minute and 45 seconds left to go, guys. 1:45 left. Scott Barnes in third across the start-finish line in the orange and blue. Jared in fourth. Tim. Making Allen now rounding out the top 5. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go, guys. EJ Evans down the backstretch. Did not start A1. He got it out there about 6 minutes in. He had the car problem. So we're heavily relying on the A2 and A3 performers here to put him in the rankings here. EJ Evans looking at a W on this one. 1 minute and 10 seconds left to go. But he's going to have to work for it. Only 2 seconds out in front of Todd. As our first place driver comes up on third. So Scott Barnes, you'll have the race leader with you next. Todd Mason in the 2 spot across the start-finish line. Todd trailing now by 2.5. Third place driver Scott Barnes. Jared Thulin in fourth. Alan Lungy rounding out the top 5, followed by Rob and Steve. Let's take a look here at Lungy across the start-finish line in the pink and green. He rounds out the top 5. Alan down the backstretch. Through the coat hangers and now back in through the center of the course. Alan very aware letting the leader by there. Good driving, Alan. 10 seconds.
There you go. 5 to go.
All right, guys, white flag is down. We across the start finish line. You move it out time. You're going with second. Scott, you're going with third. Alan, you're going with fourth. Waiting for EJ. EJ going to take the win of A3. That's race, guys.